All right, folks, before we head back to court, I want to bring back in National Trial Attorney Michael Jaafar. Michael, quickly, I want to talk a little bit about what it seems the direction that the defense is going in. And, you know, one of the places they're going, it seems, is going to the motive. Now, again, we know prosecutors don't have to prove motive, but going after it makes sense in this case because she's basically saying they outlined a few things that were the causes or motive of this thing that he wanted out of the marriage. They're saying, well, the marriage wasn't great, but it was doing okay. Money was a problem. He wanted more of it, but they're saying no. He had some good months. He was doing okay. Third, his image. Now, she didn't get to that yet, but I imagine going to say, well, his image was fine. He wasn't so worried about that. That's not a motive for murder. This stuff had been going on for years. Why suddenly did he decide to kill her? What do you make of their argument so far?
Their argument so far is going down the right point, but here's where they hit their pay dirt, and here's what the jury are going to be on the edge of their seat watching. It's the same thing we're on the edge of our seat watching for, which is what about the Google searches and why did he buy potassium cyanide and arsenic? Why did his office manager report it? Why did his partner report it? What was the point of him doing that? It had no place at a dental clinic. That's what they're going to be watching for. So I think his attorney, starting with the fact that, hey, they had $1 million house paid off, no collectors, no bills, nothing. You know, they're starting there because they want to just kind of discard the small arguments and focus, get ready for the big argument. I want to see how she explains the arsenic purchases and the potassium cyanide purchases. Once she gets to that point, once she explains it, then at that point, we've got a fight on our hands and the jury has something to consider. Until then, it's kind of like, you know, hey, he made protein shakes for her. They're connecting the dots of the protein shakes and the exercises and her being dizzy with him buying all these things that really coincide with him trying to kill her. So I want to see how she gets from where she's starting to where she needs to finish.